Okay, so I'm giving this little video thing a try to kind of explain how to wear the masks I make, um, so that, some people it's easier if I just do a video. So I'm going to show you on the mask I made for myself. As you can see, we've got the loop here, and then the end. This white thing can come off. The reason I use it is because I have trouble with my fingers sometimes, like pains in my joints and stuff, so it's easier for me to use these than to try and tie it all the time. And figured, some other people are probably like that too, so I would include it, but you can easily take it off if you want. Just a few little things about the mask. On the inside, you'll find the filter, kind of on the inside here. Looks like this. Now, this is washable. You can wash it with your mask, but do not try and iron it or put it in the dryer or put it near any extreme heat, because this is you may have heard of it, the non-woven polypropylene plastic that a lot of people are saying to use as filters. It's a lot like sewing interface, but it doesn't have all the glues and stuff, so it's not as toxic. They actually make reusable bags out of this. I just happen to have a lot of the white stuff at home already, luckily, so that's what I'm using. And they just slide in through the whole pouch you've got here on the other side. And then on your mask, on the inside, you can't see it well here because it's black on black, but there's a little casing, and that's where the removable wire goes. Same deal as with the filter, but before you wash this, take it out because it contains metal and you don't want it to rust. So you just slip it out through the side and kind of out of the casing, and then you can put it back in after. Most of the ones, I believe, have the gardening wire and the plastic coated gardening wire. I'm not gonna take the thing out of mine. It's a little tight because this is the first one I made, and fortunately, I guess you could say, happen to have some of the old masks for woodworking that were like the N, whatever they call them, the ones that you can't buy anywhere anymore. So they were old, and so I scrounged them for parts, and I happened to get the nose wires. So I guess we've talked about care. After you wear it, wash it. That's the thing. When I do it, I personally just hand wash it. It's easier for me. So I actually wash it with the filter in it and everything, but I do take the nose thing out. And if it's a nice day, I actually hang it out in the sun on my clothesline. So now for putting it on, this is always the biggest question I have. So you got your loop and you got this part down here. So what you want to do is take the two of them and kind of make like almost like a little sling, and then over your head. Now, the top one, it is, okay, you want to make sure it's all kind of up by your face, and you use the upper loop. It goes around your ears and behind your head. See, I have my hair pulled up in the back to try and make it a little easier for you guys to see. So then you get that there, and you put your nose wire on, get yourself all, tucked in so it's nice and tight. And then the one in the back, what you do, you just use this little guy, push it in and slide it along, and till it's a good fit. I like this. I don't even really notice it at the base of my neck when I'm walking along using it, and it keeps it a lot tighter than it would if I tried to tie it with my fingers. So yeah, this is sort of the masks, how you work them, and caring for them, and how to put them on. That's always the biggest question. So I hope this helped. And Gran, I hope this helped with, you know, your future mask making. Kind of gave you a little rundown of what I do. So, okay, so there, tried it. And yeah, I hope you all have a good day.